Today we're learning about the Scarlet King snake.
Hi, my name is Clint Hahn, and I work at Grand Bay Education Center in Southeast Georgia. And this little girl right here, her name is Pearl. Now, Pearl is a very unique species of snake. She's called a Scarlet King snake. And if I see her in the wild, I might think she was a venomous snake, but she is definitely not. Now, when I look at Pearl's color patterns, I notice that red touches black, and that is a friend of Jack. But now if it's a coral snake, if red touches yellow, then it might kill a fellow. And that's the color rhyme that I use if I'm walking around and I see a snake that looks like this. That is the exact color rhyme that I use to help me remember whether it's harmless or whether it might be highly venomous. And she lays eggs, and that makes her oviviparous. And that's anything that lays eggs and then the babies later hatch, versus like a human that's viviparous, and I was born alive. And then there's one more type of reproduction. There's something called ovoviviparous, and that simply means like a cottonmouth has the eggs inside her body, and then when the babies hatch, they come out alive, and then she later discards those eggshells. So she actually retains the eggs in her body if that species of animal is ovoviviparous. And Pearl looks like a small snake, but she's actually an adult. She's as big as she's gonna get. And an average size for a Scarlet King snake is anywhere from 18 to 24 inches. And she's a girl, so she gets bigger than the boy. And Pearl is a species of snake that actually lays eggs. Not all snakes lay a clutch of eggs. She belongs to a family of snakes called the colubrids. And that is the most widespread species of snake on this planet. And I wonder, how does she catch her prey? She's a constrictor. That means she kind of squeezes her prey. She doesn't use a venom when she's catching her prey.
Just like humans, Scarlet King snakes have ribs from their heads to their tails. On the ribs are muscles, which allow the snakes to slither around. Scarlet King snakes' natural habitat is in the ground. A few places these snakes can be found are in holes or rotten logs.
Pearl just has eaten recently, and I tell you, she's gonna do something kind of unique to snakes. She's gonna shed her skin all at one time. And now, this is not from a Scarlet King snake. This is from a rat snake, another colubrid, and this is a much bigger snake. And that, look at that. That is the whole entire skin that snake shed when it grew after a meal. Let's stretch it out. And that is snake skin. Kind of creepy, inside out, but that animal has to do that.
Let's go over what we learned. What is the color rhyme that Clint uses to figure out if a snake is friendly or not? The color rhyme is, if red touches black, it is a friend of Jack. If red touches yellow, it may kill a fellow. What type of snake is Pearl? Pearl is a Scarlet King snake. What is the average size a Scarlet King snake can get? 18 to 24 inches. True or false? Snakes have ribs and muscles throughout their body. True. This gives them the ability to slither around. What is a scarlet snake's natural habitat? The ground. They are commonly found in places like holes or a rotten log.